Let's be honest. When you hear the words artificial intelligence, a little voice might whisper, "Is this going to cost me my job?" The headlines scream about robots taking over, fueling a pervasive anxiety in offices everywhere. At Paradigm AI Solutions, we're here to tell you the truth. AI won't replace your employees. It will replace the most tedious parts of their job. The goal of true, holistic AI transformation is not replacement, it's empowerment. It's about building a competitive advantage by making your human team smarter, more creative, and more valuable than ever before. Think about your top talent. How much time do they lose every week on low-value, repetitive tasks? Logging CRM entries, sorting financial data, or drafting basic emails? This isn't where their brilliance shines. Precise AI automation is the ultimate digital assistant. It takes on the busy work instantly, accurately, and without complaint. For your sales team, AI handles initial lead scoring and qualification, allowing them to spend their day closing deals instead of chasing dead ends. For your finance team, AI automates invoice processing and reconciliation, freeing accountants to focus on strategic forecasting and compliance. AI doesn't remove the human element, it unlocks human potential. It frees your employees to focus on creativity, complex problem solving, and the genuine empathetic relationships that only a human can build. That is their new superpower. Successful AI integration is more about culture than code. If your team is hesitant about technology, adoption will likely stall. Trust is your greatest asset. As your trusted partner, we guide you through the cultural shift with two essential steps. Communicate transparently. When introducing AI, leaders must clearly explain its purpose. We are implementing this AI to reduce burnout, not headcount. This transparency transforms fear into buy-in. Upskill and train. Your employees don't become obsolete, their jobs evolve. Invest in training to turn them into AI-powered professionals. Teach them how to interpret AI reports, how to provide feedback to the models, and how to ask the AI the right questions, prompt engineering. When employees feel secure and see that the company is investing in their future, they become advocates for the transformation. The ultimate holistic AI transformation isn't about isolated bots. It's about creating a combined system where human intelligence and machine intelligence amplify each other. Paradigm AI Solutions is dedicated to delivering precise AI automation that achieves swift efficiency today, while simultaneously partnering with you to build a resilient, AI-empowered culture that shapes the future of your business. Your team is your greatest competitive advantage. AI just makes them unstoppable. Ready to build an empowered workforce and unlock new levels of productivity? Contact us to schedule a consultation and start your cultural transformation roadmap today. Visit us at www.paradigmaisolutions.com and don't forget to subscribe for more strategic AI insights.